Yeah guys, welcome back to our next video. Tonight guys, what am I gonna do? I cook some pig foot and cornmeal dumpling and Irish guys. So guys, as you can see on the stove, watch what I go on the stove. So I go on the stove over there. So yeah guys. So don't know the badness. Guys, I'm gonna put some more water on the pig foot and cut up some Irish, cut up some seasoning. You understand all these guys? Watch your badness guys. Be a badness in the kitchen. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so watch what I go on in I pork pot over here. So pig foot. Yeah guys, so what am I gonna do? I'm gonna drop in the Irish then. Make the Irish go and cook guys. Over. So in the meantime guys, I'm gonna put in some pepper, onion. You don't know the badness. Watch what I go on in the kitchen guys. Be a badness in the kitchen. This one come back. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna chop up some season. Some season guys. Guys, I'll be a badness in the kitchen, you know. I'm going to tell you, be a badness, be a badness. Some grown stew pig foot, some strong cornmeal dumpling, and Irish. Guys, watch out, go on that pot over here, so guys. Guys, soon come back, be a badness. Guys, I would dash into the hard purpose. Hard purpose, guys. Give me hard purpose. Don't know me as a man, me no use a whole heap of bag season. You understand me how deal? Uh, don't know the badness. Guys, I'm going to train this brown season. making go and simmer down. You don't know the badness, guys. I be a badness. Remember me tell them I go mash up some flour and Irish differently. You understand now, so guys, watch the video. Guys, that one are mad. I'll put some salt. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna need up some flour, guys. Stay tuned for the finishing look, guys, of beer badness. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna need up some flour, you know. Don't know the badness. There's some cornmeal flour, guys. Cornmeal. Yeah guys, see me flour. Be a badness. Be a badness. I'm going to be Irish now, guys. Yeah guys, so we can land the pot now and put on the flour pot. Watch. Guys, watch how I go on like what? Be a badness. See that? Brown stew pig foot, guys. So guys, I'm gonna come on stove, put on the flour pot, you can see what I go on. Yeah guys, as I can see the flour pot up on fire. Yeah, I'm gonna put some salt. Before guys, I don't know but me have a habit. Before me put the salt in the water, me taste the raw flour, me taste the flour what me need first. Believe me, every time I cook flour, I saw me look. Me taste the flour and then me put the amount of salt in the water. Be a badness, guys. Stay tuned for the finishing look. Brown stew, pig foot, cornmeal dumpling and Irish. Soon come back. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna drop in the flour in the pot, you know. But I boil up guys. So I'm gonna drop in the flour. Some cornmeal flour. And the next thing again guys, before we put in my flour in the pot. Like when we need my flour and I go make my flour for put in the pot when make the dumpling them. I have to do a thing like this, pluck half piece of the flour and rub it on my hand. It's just a habit guys. You don't know. Real chef. Guys, be a bad man. Guys, look what I'm going over here, so the pig foot. Guys, be a badness. Be a badness, guys. Remember me tell you, be a badness. Guys, stay tuned. The finishing looking in at the plate, guys. Don't know thing come down already.
Right to the end.
Yeah, Jenko people, so this is the finishing look.
But I could tell she was still fighting.
Cornmeal dumpling, Irish. My brown stew, pig foot. Guys,
You don't have to do that, Laura.
the meat chop off a bone. Believe that. Guys, see you in our next video, guys. I'm out.